Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a hands-on demo on one of the most powerful automation you can build in N8N, an AI-powered research and a publishing pipeline. You will see a simple topic submission kicks off a fully automated process in which AI agents break down the topic, draft the report, edit it, add images, and then send a finished product straight to your email, all without lifting your finger. Let's see the workflow in action. I will enter a research topic, select tonality, visuals, and output length, and hit submit. And then watch the whole process unfold. Sections are generated, contents get written, images are created, and finally a finished report lands in my Gmail. Every step is handled by a specialized team, from research to editing to creative to publishing, just like a professional newsroom, but fully automated. Ready to learn how it's built? Let's break it down node by node. First come on-form submission. This node acts as the entry point for the workflow. You or your client enter a research topic and extra details, which kicks off the whole process. You can customize this form to collect additional inputs like keywords, audience, or urgency. Then we come to Research Leader Agent, which is the manager of the research process. This AI agent decides how to best structure the report, breaking your topic into the logical sections. It receives your topic and crucially also gets real-time research results from Tavily node. We use the system prompt like you are a senior research strategist. Break this topic into the 4 clear sections for a comprehensive report. Use only the most recent relevant sources found by a Tavily. This node will return a JSON array. Each object is a section with a heading and a summary or description. With Tavily providing live web results, your sections are always up to date with real world events, not just with AI remembers. Then we have a code node, which splits the array of sections objects into individual items. This is very crucial so each section can be researched and written in parallel by the next agent. We use a little JavaScript to map each JSON object to its own N8N item. Now coming to Research Assistant Agent, which drafts each section. For each section receives the heading and description. It uses OpenAI plus the original tab research results to write a completed draft with relevant facts and citations. Here we use a system prompt to write a detailed, well-structured draft for each section using a headings, description, and sources provided. Output as markdown and cite sources as links. So every section is expertly researched, written, and referenced using live data. Then coming to editing team, we have a polisher agent. The editor turning rough draft into polished professional content. Each draft goes through a polisher AI, which fixes grammar, improves style, ensures clarity, and applies your editorial standards. We have the system prompt something like this: polish this draft for clarity, consistency, and professionalism. Do not change technical content, but improve readability and flow. It ensures all sections meets a high editorial standard. Then we have another code node which combines all the polished sections back into a single unified report. It merges HTML strings in order, adds a table of content if needed, and it prepares a full report for final formatting and publishing. Now we have a publishing agent. It formats the report for delivery. It converts the text into HTML, add branding, summary, or other info if desired, and ready to send by email or uploaded somewhere else. Now we have a creative team in which we have a creative directed agent which creates prompt for image generation to illustrate your report. It reads a finished report from each sections and write an image description suited for tools like DALL-E. It ensures visuals fit your content and tone. Then we have an HTTP request which connect OpenAI to N8N, which sends the generated prompts, receive back base 64 encoded images. Then we convert the AI generated base64 string into an actual image file, which makes it easy to embed or attach image into your final report. And in the last, we have a Gmail node, which delivers the finished report or any image straight to your inbox. You can customize the recipients here, subject, body, and include the formatted HTML and images. It instantly delivers to yourself, or your clients, or your audience. And there you have it, a professional end-to-end AI-powered research and publishing pipeline in an A10. With this setup, you can farm a simple research topic to a fully illustrated, polished, and delivered report automatically. If you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what workflows you want to see next. Check the description for prompt templates, troubleshooting tips, and sample N8N export. Thanks for watching and happy automating.